Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install and use VoiceMod. So here you have to just go to Google, search for VoiceMod here. Now you will get this first link, click on this first link here, and here you will just get option get VoiceMod for free. Click on it, right? And automatically it will just, you have to log in into this. I'll just use my Google account to instantly log in into this because it just take a few seconds here. Now just go and click on continue, and once you log in into your VoiceMod account, right here it will automatically start downloading, as you can see here. So you have to just wait for a few seconds. Once it gets download, open it up, right? And here you have to just tap on yes. Now select the language, and once you select the language, automatically the setup will come up here. So let's open it up. Now just go and click on next, and I accept the agreement. Click on the next. Now here you have to select the location where you want to install. So I'll select the location here, go and click on OK, click on next, right? And create a desktop shortcut if you want to. And once it turns, just go and click on next and click on install, right? So it will just take a few seconds, as you can see here. Now once it get installed, you have to just wait for here.